Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates.
In this video, I will explain you what is the reinforcement value that we need to consider for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story building for real-time projects. So this is one of the most important topic. So this respective reinforcement values will be exist only for the ground story structure which is having the soil bearing capacity of 200 kilonewton and grade of the concrete is M20 and grade of the steel is Fe 500 grade steel. Okay. Initially, I will explain you what are the parameters we need to consider for reinforcement values of the ground story structure. So basically the reinforcement values are depends upon the two factors. In that first one is loading condition and second one is grade of the concrete. Okay, so loading condition is nothing but the amount of the load that is comes to your respective structure through lateral position as well as your vertical position, which is nothing but your gravity direction. So these load cases are called dead loading condition, live loading condition, seismic loading condition as well as your wind loading condition. So as per the Indian codal standard provisions, we will consider the load cases. Okay, so this is the first factor. So if the loading condition on that respective structure will be increases, the reinforcement values will be also increases, and if the loading condition on that respective structure will be in suitable value, then we have to take the proper suitable reinforcement values for that respected building. Okay, so second factor is grade of the concrete and grade of the steel. Okay, so if the grade of the concrete is increases, definitely the loading condition on that respective structure is also increases. Due to that reason only we need to consider the higher grade. So if you use the grade of the concrete which is related to M20 grade or M15 grade, so we will take the regular reinforcement values for construction of any kind of the building. Okay, now I will explain you what are the diameters of the bar we need to consider for plinth beam section, column section, slab section as well as your foundation section. So generally for all these things we will consider the diameter of the bars are 8 mm bars, 10 mm bars, 12 mm bars. So these three diameter bars is important for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story structure. Okay, so now I will explain you the reinforcement details. So before explaining the reinforcement details, we need to fix the dimensions of your respected column as well as your beam section, foundation section and slab thickness for the building. Okay, so as per the considerations, as per the standards, I was already explained the what is the minimum size of the column and what is the minimum dimensions of the beam and what is the minimum thickness of the slab and what is the minimum dimensions of the footing. So now I will explain you what is the minimum dimensions for the ground story. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the ground story structure, basically we will consider the column size as well as your beam size is 9 inches cross 9 inches, which is approximately equal to 230 mm cross 230 mm. And next one is we need to consider the slab thickness for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story is 4 inches. Okay, we need to consider the 4 inches. And next one is foundation. So we need to take the depth of the foundation is 3 feet and length as well as your width of the foundation is 4 feet cross 4 feet. So these are the minimum dimensions we need to consider. So now I will explain you the reinforcement details for the plinth beam section and column section as well as your slab section and foundation. In this first one is foundation design. So for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story structure, basically we will consider 4 feet cross 4 feet cross 3 feet is the dimensions of the foundation. 4 feet cross 4 feet is the length as well as your width of the foundation and 3 feet is the depth of the foundation. So we need to prepare the mesh which is having the dimensions of 4 feet cross 4 feet. So we need to place that respected mesh with the help of 10 mm bars. Okay, so we need to place horizontal direction bars as well as your vertical direction bars which is consisting of your 10 mm bars, and center to center distance between the bars we will take it as 5 inches. Okay, so this is the reinforcement values which is related to the foundation design, first one. So which is having 10 mm bars in horizontal as well as your vertical direction with 5 center to center distance. Okay, second one is column design. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the ground story structure, basically we will consider the dimensions of the your respected column is 9 inches cross 9 inches which is approximately equal to 230 mm cross 230 mm. So for that respected 9 inches cross 9 inches column, we will use 4 number of bars which is having the diameter of the bar is 12 mm bars. So 4 number of bars with 25 mm or 30 mm cover with 12 mm diameter is sufficient for construction of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story model. Okay, so and we will consider the stirrups also. The diameter of the stirrups will be approximately equal to 8 mm bars with 6 center to center distance. We need to place that respected 6 center to center distance or 5 center to center distance depending upon your soil bearing capacity value. So this respected value will be applicable only for 200 kilonewton soil bearing capacity and M20 grade concrete and 500 grade steel. Okay, so this is the second one. And third one is beam reinforcement details. Okay, so basically we will consider the dimensions of your respected beam as per the standards is 9 inches cross 9 inches, which is similar to your respected column sizes. Basically we will divide the beams into two types. In that, first one is plinth beam sections and second one is normal beam sections. Okay, now I will explain you the reinforcement details for the plinth beam sections initially. So for construction of any kind of the building which is related to your ground story model, basically we will consider a 12 mm diameter bar which is having top reinforcement will be of 2 number of bars and bottom reinforcement will be of 2 number of bars, and we will consider the diameter of the stirrups is 8 mm with 6 center to center distance. Diameter of your respected main bars is 12 mm bars. Okay, so 12 mm bars is the main reinforcement and 2 bars in the top and 2 bars in the bottom, and stirrups will be consisting of 8 mm bars with 6 center to center distance. So this is the reinforcement values for the plinth beam section. Now I will explain you reinforcement values for the virginal beam section. So for virginal beam section also we will consider the dimensions of your respected beam is 9 inches cross 9 inches, which is approximately equal to 230 mm cross 230 mm. So as per the standards, as per the considerations of your 200 kilonewton soil bearing capacity, we will consider the 4 number of bars for this respected main reinforcement section which is having 12 mm diameter bars. So along with this respected bars, we will consider the stirrups which is having the diameter as 8 mm with 6 center to center distance. Okay, so we need to consider 6 inches is the center to center distance between the each bar for the stirrup section. So along with this respected top reinforcement at the top 2 and bottom 2, we will consider the cracked bars. So these cracked bars we will consider at least 2 numbers, and diameter of your respected cracked bar is similar to your main bars which is equals to 12 mm. So we will consider the same amount of your diameter of the bars for the cracked bars as well as your main bars for this respected beam sections. Okay, so no need to consider the cracked bars in the plinth beam sections. Why? Because it is not the load distribution members, just it is a supporting member at the ground story. So we need to consider the cracked bars only for the main section of your beams, not plinth beam sections. So this respected reinforcement values is also applicable for 200 kilonewton soil bearing capacity with M20 grade concrete and Fe 500 grade steel. Okay, now I will explain you the slab reinforcement details. So basically for construction of any kind of the building, we will consider the slab thickness for the ground story building model, 1 story model building is 4 inches. So for that respected 4 inches, we will consider the main bars as well as your distribution bars. The diameter of your respected main bars, we will basically consider it as 10 mm size with 6 center to center distance. Okay, again distribution bars, we will consider the diameter of your respected bar is 8 mm bars, and we have to consider the 8 inches center to center distance between each bar for your respected distribution bars. So basically we will consider the main bars which is having 10 mm diameter with 6 center to center distance, and distribution bars we will consider it as 8 mm bars with 8 center to center distance. Okay, so these respected values is applicable for M20 grade concrete, Fe 500 grade steel. Okay, so this is the concept which is related to the reinforcement details of this respected ground story building model. I will provide you all data reinforcement details in the below description of this respected video. Please check the reinforcement values in that respected description. If you have any queries about this respected video, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. Thank you.